Hi guys, today we're playing the Fake Murder Mystery 2 because I don't have a... Okay, anyway, let's just start. And of course I mentioned, out of all of the roles, you got me innocent on literal 4%? That's... 4% is a literal high percent. So there's no way I'm not gonna get like murder or sheriff. So you're so... Anyway... Where is... Okay, I'm literally... Oh, she's the sheriff. I thought she was... Oh, yeah. I feel like the mouse is the murderer. The one standing there with the lava knife. The lava thing. I don't know. Anyway, I feel like the mouse... But anyway, let's just... It's gotta be the mouse, right? Right? Bro. Who was the murderer? What? Oh. So it's not the mouse. Why did I think it was the mouse? I'm so stupid. The reach? Okay, let's pretend that I didn't literally yell at the end of that, but girl is hitbox, I swear. Girl is hitbox, I swear to God. I literally reach, the literal reach. I was literally like far away from her that she couldn't get me, but I'm oh my God. And let's pretend that literally never happened at all. Why? Out of all the roles you could have gotten me, I needed to check if I was recording. But anyway, please. Oh my God. Girl is on a killing spree. Oh my God. Oh, bro. Please don't kill me. Please. I don't want to die. I do not want to die. I do not want to die. Please. What? Oh my God. I swear, if she has the hitbox, I'm going to... Oh my God. I will... What? I'm quitting Roblox. I'm quitting Roblox. I'm quitting. I'm moving there loud. It's voice changer time. Okay, I can explain, bro. I can explain. Oh. I can explain, bro. I can explain, please. Yeah, I'm not famous. I have like 6 subscribers, I think, or 5. A lot of people aren't famous because they're not good at it yet, but they will improve. Yeah, I think 6 or 5. I don't know exactly, but let's get possessed. Yes, I did. Okay, I spelled that wrong. Anyway, let's still get possessed because I'm not possessed yet. I don't really understand why I'm here and online and literally recording this, but I just want to play this game. So, the actual reason is that, I'm bored. I'm just bored. Anyway, I'll just be Stitch for the rest of this clip, but if I'm tired and my voice is literally, I don't know. I just want to be like this. Anyway, let's just continue. Okay. The gun. Let me have that gun, bro. Okay, I know I'm not gonna find the better, but at least I got that gun. Yes. Just time end. They won't find me, right? Bro, oh my god! You can't kill me when the round ended, bro. Are you dumb? Okay, anyway. GG, bro. Anyway, sorry for hearing me on one of the clips or some of the clips. My iPad was at full volume, I swear to God. Also, okay, I'm done with this voice. Okay, I'm not gonna be in the Stitch voice anymore because you can't hear me in, like, a clip that I have it in, or some clips. But, sorry if you can't hear me, or understand what I'm saying. I'm sorry, that's just how it is. I just want, just try to understand, okay? I literally, okay, who's murderer? Who's the murderer? What am I doing? I'm literally, oh, there's two lilies. Yeah, guys, this is the fake, murder mystery too. So, there's two lilies. That's an outfit they have in the game. I don't know why. What? Why would you fall for that? Oh my god. Oh my god. I wanted the gun, but no. My character said you should get stuck on the fence. But anyway. Just why? See, that is gonna buy a mockingbird. What are these? What are we doing? Is the murderer there? Oh, she's there. Oh, she's laggy. She's literally laggy. Is she blind? I'm right there. She didn't kill me. I was right there. Good thing she didn't, stab me when she was, 5 feet away. Not even 5 feet. I'm just dumb. I'm stupid. It's not 5 feet. It's barely 5 feet. Anyway. Let's pretend that I didn't act stupid 5 seconds ago. Oh, they shot her. George Washington? Oh my god, George Washington is still alive. Okay, guys, I bought commands and I don't know what's happening. Please, save me, please. Okay. I literally teleported. Okay, help me, please. And I slowly start to stand up. Bro. Helicopter. I need to unspin. Help me, please. Okay, I'm fine now. Okay. What? No! George Washington! Why did you kill George Washington? Okay, now I'm a helicopter, but not a helicopter. I'm a merry-go-round. I really hope I don't die. Sparkles. Yes, sparkles. Yes. Adding the sparkles makes it better. Why innocent? Anyway, let's skip that because I don't want this video to be like too long, and I don't know, it doesn't literally have to be too long. Oh my god. Oh my god. Innocent again. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. What? Okay, I need to stop this right now because I just can't walk. Bro, do it. Okay, now I'm fine. What? Okay, let's start this round. I really hope I'm not. Oh my god! Chapter 6, Losing the Crown, Thursday. Dear Diary, it turns out when you bring ants home with you, a lot can go wrong. After you, my queen, the ants couldn't play the ukulele or write Bella's speech, but they said they could make flowers and hang posters. The ants didn't put up posters, though. They crawled all over the kitchen. They even crawled on Bear. Maybe this can be our forever home. I was reading, okay? I was reading. Okay, she's following me. Okay. Oh my god. Please don't. But anyway, guys, let me die, and then, guys, I really hope that you are okay, and you are in good health, and have a good day or night.